How to fix and solve login problem on Twilio Authy Authenticator app. If you want to fix a login problem on the Authy Authenticator app, you just have to follow the steps. First thing first, whenever you're trying to fix the login issue, you could always go and make sure to check for your credentials. So whenever you're trying to log in into your Authy app and when you've entered the wrong information or the wrong credential, then that could potentially lead to such issues. So make sure to double check your information, and you could retry it, and that could be able to fix it as well. If not, you could also check for an internet connection. So go to your settings, and here you could see whether you're connected to a data or not. If you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data, you could try restarting or disconnecting it first of all, and then reconnect it. That could be able to fix it as well. If that doesn't work, you could try entering your phone number to a re-authenticator and check for a backup issue. So you could go ahead and open up the application and type in your country's code first of all, and enter in the phone number and click the submit button, after which click the yes button, and then you could go ahead and re-enter your phone number, or you could actually check for the backup in your registered email address. So you could also try multi-device access if needed, or using a backup code if available. If you're still unable to fix it, then what you could also do is check for an update. Sometimes outdated version can lead to this issue. So go to your respective app store and on the search box type in Twilio Authy app. And when you locate it, you could go ahead and see whether the app needs to be updated or not. After the application is completely updated, then you could also try cleaning your cache as well as data. Long press the application, go to app info, and go to storage and cache. Click on clear cache as well as data and click the OK button, and make sure that you are logged. Now go ahead and open up the application and see whether the issue fixes or not. After doing all of these, if none of these steps work, you could directly contact the support. So for that, exit out of this page and open the browser. On the web address bar, you want to type in Twilio Authy Authenticator contact. So press the first link that comes, and then you could go ahead and send a feedback. They will be able to help you out. So that's the way you could go and fix and solve login problem on Twilio Authy Authenticator app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.